hear it humming.
Yeah, I can see the thing moving.
Hopefully that's not going to be bad. Alright, so today, going to work on the wheel hubs. Well, I went with a Southwest wheel brake kit for the 3,500 pound axle as linked in the Wander Tears Vaga cost spreadsheet. And there was two different kits. One, which is the one that I got, is just the normal kit. There was also a pro kit which had Timken bearings, and from what I've read, it had a different, higher quality hub. I've actually never had a trailer in my life with brakes. So this one's nice. It has two drums, or two of the drums, and the brake pad parts, and the backing plate that goes on them. These mount right to my Flexoride axles, the half axles. So we're gonna get those mounted and get all this stuff hooked up so that I can put my wheels and my tires on and be able to roll this out into the driveway so I can finish up some of the painting and stuff. So when I ordered this, I was a little bit worried because I ordered the one kit, but it wasn't super clear on if I got both of these or if I just got one. So, and I got even more nervous because only the left-hand side arrived first. I'm like, oh no, did I just get one of them for this? Was the Pro Kit really both of them? But it is both. When you order the one kit, you get both left and the right-hand side. It just took a couple of extra days for the right-hand side to arrive. The one thing I don't know, and this doesn't give any specifications for, is what to tighten these bolts down to. I watched some stuff online and read a few things, and it says just snug them down. And then what I'm going to do is look up the torque specification for this size of a bolt. Probably 40 pounds is enough, maybe 50. All right, so a quick search online tells me what these bolts should be torqued to for the range, and I was pretty close. 30 to 50 foot-pounds for the backing plate. For this guy right here, these bolts, 30 to 50 pounds, so I'm going to go with 50 pounds. And then for these, I'm used to like 100 to 105 foot-pounds, but I forgot. That's for aluminum wheels. And these will be steel wheels, so I want to be 75 to 85 foot-pounds. Well, I've got my helper today. Alex is here to help. We're going to get the trailer brakes on and the hubs. And also the wheels came. Dun, da, da, da. So let's get those on. All right, first thing we're gonna do is just put the backing plates on. And I think I'll do one side first. What do you think, Alex? I'll do one side first and you do the other side. We've got our bolts and our lock washers. And this is the right-hand side. So they're a right-hand side and a left-hand side because the way that this is set up, and the way that you know is, for one, it says RH on the sticker, and the other one, it has this arm going towards the front. That is this little magnet goes here on the bottom. Wiring, we'll do the wiring at another date. Just want to get these on so I can get the wheels on, and we can do the painting this weekend. Hey, and I remembered correctly. I have a good memory, sometimes.
Sometimes.
Let's get these snug and then we'll torque them to 50. Alright, so the next part we have to do is we have to put this whole outer piece on. And we have to pack bearings for that with this grease. Gloves. And we'll use this grease first and get a lot of this grease in. So what you want to do is really work the grease into these roller bearings and get a nice handful of grease and then just start really packing it in. I'm actually taking this and running my hands into the bearing to make sure that all the grease is getting into here. It doesn't taste like raspberry jelly or strawberry. What flavor do you think it might be?
Cherry.
Cherry? So inside of here, from shipment and to storage, this is going to have a film of grease on here, if you can see it on my fingers. So we're going to use some brake cleaner just to clean this all out, so that way it doesn't mess up our brake shoes the first time it goes to actually do a brake. And that white cloth, I'll be able to see anything that comes off of it. First bearing, and that just plops right inside of there. There we go. Make sure these are packed really well. Should work. All right, let's see if we can get this guy on here. So this one, we just make finger tight. Hopefully that's not gonna be bad.
No problem.
So there's an adjustment down here that automatically pulls these out. And there's a little catch right here. So I just need to bring this out to here, just to make sure these are adjusted out pretty far. Arvo's brought 3 balls up here, just in case we are ready for him. Now I think we're good. So let's get this back onto here. It's better to just kind of make sure you get everything how you want it. If you make a mistake, just go back into it and reset it. Now I can actually turn it now. You get to do the other side.
Yippee.
Yes. Perfect.
Okay.
Nice.
There we go.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. My hands are just like.
Tight too, huh?
I guess.
Nice. And then put the nut on. That's upside out. Now, if this side falls off on the road, it's your fault.
Yeah.
If the other side falls off on the road, that's my fault.
Oh, I see some.
Nice. Let's see. Oh yeah.
Is there even any more coming out?
No, I'm sure. It feels like there is.
Oh, there we go.
Although I am going to leave the other side off just in case I need to readjust that, because the other one does not turn as easy as this one does. Easy way to take the tire out, turn the box over. There you go, line up the holes.
What do you mean it's not aligned?
There you go. Zip them in. Just so that there. So your side spins nice and freely, and that my side spins a little bit tighter. On its own wheels. All right, well, we got the wheels and the hubs on. Hopefully this side will loosen up. We'll see what this turns into later on. And for the record, I did the right-hand side, and Alex did
The left side hide.
the left side hand. What did you say?
Sand hide.
The left sand hide.
Left hand side.
I think his side is really nice. That spins really freely. And I'm on my side, it's a little bit tight. We'll see if it loosens up. So what do you think about this process, Alex?
It's pretty cool. I like the, like how you had to stuff the things with the jelly, and then put it on the thing, and then put the thing on the other thing, and then put the other thing on that thing, and then yeah.
There's lots of things, yeah. All right, well, we were thinking I wanted to try something because this wheel seems like it's good. I can rotate it really no problem at all. But this wheel, the one that I did, it's binding. I can move it forward pretty okay, but I can't move it backwards without a good amount of effort. So something's binding out here. So either I can take this off, which I'm not opposed to doing, but I also wanted to test the trailer brakes. So I've got this battery charger. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. We'll limit it to 2 amps and we'll put it on manual. I don't know if it's actually gonna put out 12 volts without it drawing something from a battery, but I'm gonna try it and just see how it goes. I heard it hum. Here, come and try to turn the wheel, Alex. Yeah, that looks like it's working. All right, so let's try the other side. See if we can get that maybe brake loop.
Yeah, I guess I'm thinking.
That might have loosened it. Oh yeah, look at that.
There we go.
I heard it clunk at the end. The one brake shoe must have been just kind of lodged into the drum. Oh yeah, I'll turn the other way. Okay.
Okay, so.
Oh yeah, just in time, because my lead was broke.
Weird, what? Oh.
Sweet.